Welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're cracking the code on what is honestly a bit of a beast, the 12CT16 Motor Vehicle Physical Damage Appraiser exam. We're going to walk you through the official, updated digital preparation tools that are specifically designed to help you pass this thing on your very first try. Okay, let's dive right into this. Here's our roadmap for today. First, the 12CT16 exam challenge. Second, your digital study companion. Third, customizing your practice. Fourth, simulating the real exam. And fifth, smart learning features. All right, let's kick things off with Section 1, the 12CT16 exam challenge. So I have to ask, are you ready for the 12CT16 exam? Like, truly ready? Because this test is incredibly demanding. It's explicitly designed to filter for only the most highly qualified candidates in the physical damage appraisal field. And honestly, here is a staggering statistic from our sources. Right around 50% of people fail this exam. That's half. But hey, don't panic. It's really vital to note that this high failure rate is largely due to test anxiety and a lack of confidence, not necessarily a lack of foundational knowledge. Which means the good news is you absolutely do not have to be part of that negative statistic. Proper preparation completely neutralizes that test day anxiety. It boosts your confidence and gets you mentally locked in for the real deal. And that brings us right to Section 2, your digital study companion. Beating this exam really comes down to a brilliantly simple two-step methodology so you can study smarter. Step 1, get an idea of the topics. And step 2, just hammer those multiple choice practice tests to reinforce your knowledge. And you know what the best part is? You can literally do this anywhere. This digital companion is fully iOS and Android compatible. It works entirely offline, which is a total lifesaver, and it seamlessly syncs your progress right back to the web simulator the exact second you reconnect. Moving right along to Section 3, customizing your practice. So you basically have two main paths you can take here. On one hand, you've got practice mode, which offers customizable settings for targeted, relaxed learning. On the other hand, there's exam mode, which is a strict, no-nonsense simulation of the real test environment. Now, what's really interesting here is how much control you have in practice mode. You can tweak your session duration anywhere from 10 to 120 minutes. You can adjust your passing score requirement from 30% up to 80% and tackle between 8 and 50 tests at a time to completely fit your schedule. You can even use custom topic selection, which honestly acts a lot like a flashcard app, to test specific areas. You just select or unselect topics to laser focus on your weak spots. That way, you never waste time on material you've already mastered. Okay, Section 4, simulating the real exam. Once you're feeling confident and you switch over to exam mode, the training wheels come off. You are held to the strict 80% passing score determined by the vendor, leaving just a 20% margin of error. There is absolutely zero wiggle room here. You are also locked into that official 120-minute time limit. This perfectly replicates the actual exam pacing, forcing you to learn exactly how to critically budget your time when you're under pressure. So the crucial takeaway here is that measuring your performance against a ticking clock in exam mode is exactly how you kill test anxiety. These mock tests simulate the exact format, length, and difficulty of the actual test center experience, so nothing catches you off guard. Finally, let's explore Section 5, smart learning features. This platform is really packed with technical features to accelerate your absorption of the material. Learning mode displays correct answers instantly. There's an auto-scroll and swipe function that removes unnecessary clicks to save you time. You can use bookmarks to save tough questions for later, and even do an advanced search and filter by keyword. Ultimately, these tools allow you to constantly track your correct answer percentages. You can review your results, pinpoint your specific weaknesses, and learn from your mistakes long before you ever sit down for the real thing. And this really brilliantly illustrates the core active learning philosophy behind the platform. The best way to learn is by doing. So I'll leave you with this thought. With a 50% failure rate looming out there, will you leave your 12CT16 exam to chance? Or will you take control and guarantee your success? We highly recommend preparing with EasyQuiz.com. By leveraging both their online web simulator and their mobile app, you really aren't just studying, you're guaranteeing your success. Thanks so much for joining us on This Explainer, and good luck.